So our lesson for today is about common monomial factor. Okay, but before we proceed with our new lesson, okay, let's have a short recap about GCF. So when we say GCF is the greatest common factor, okay, is the largest integer monomial or multinomial that a set of numbers or polynomial have in common. Okay, so getting the GCF was already discussed during your elementary days, no? So recap na lang tayo. Okay, so let's get the GCF of our numbers 12 and 20. So how do we get the GCF? Okay, so of course, you just have to get their factors muna. Okay, so when we say factors, these are the numbers that when you multiply, yun po yung lalabas na product. Okay, so ano nga ba yung mga numbers na pag pinag-multiply natin is lalabas si 12? So we have 6 times 2. Ano pa? 4 times 3. And 12 times 1. Yan. Okay. Now, how about 20? So, we have 10 times 2, 5 times 4, and 20 times 1. Okay, now right after we list down all the factors of each number, we have to identify what are the common numbers that we see here. Okay, ano yung mga common sa kanilang dalawa? So, as you can see, yan, their common factors is 1 and 4. Okay? But when you say GCF, we're talking about the greatest, yung pinakamalaki. So, the greatest number between 1 and 4 is of course 4. So, the GCF of 12 and 20 is 4. Okay? So, that's how we get the GCF. Okay, now let's have another example. Yan. Okay, so we have 28 and 36. So let's find the GCF. Okay, so the factors of 28, we have 7 times 4. Okay, 1 times 28. 2 times 14. Okay, next. In 36, we have 6 times 6. Next, aside from 6 times 6, we also have 9 times 4. 12 times 3, ano pa? 18 times 2, sorry. Ayan, 18 times 2. Ano pa ba mga factors? 36 times 1. Okay, so yan yung mga factors ng numbers natin. So now let's identify what are their common factors. Okay, so their common factors are, they both have 2. Okay, they both have, ano pa, 4. And they both have 1, syempre. And that's it. Okay, so their GCF or the greatest common factor between them is 4. Okay, now let's go on to the next box. Okay, so as you can see, we have here our example of polynomials. So we have 12y cubed minus 15y squared plus 6y. Okay, so how do we get the GCF if we have a polynomials given? Okay, we have variables, so same process pa rin po. Okay, so kuhain pa rin natin yung GCF ng mga numbers, and then later on we'll find out how to get the GCF of the variables. Okay, so panin, ma'am, tatli yung numbers, same process pa rin. Okay, kahit gaano karami yung number, okay, just have to list down all the factors and then identify yung common nila. Okay? So, list down natin si 12, 15, and 6. And then, identify natin yung mga factors nila. So, naulit natin kanina si 12. So, the factors of 12 are, okay, 4 times 3, 6 times 2, and 12 times 1. Okay, for 15, okay, we just have 15 times 1 and 5 times 3. And for 6, we only have 2 times 3 and 6 times 1. Okay, so their GCF is 1 and 3. Ayan, so yun na yung mga number na common sa kanilang tatlo. Okay, but of course, when you say GCF, we're talking about the greatest number. So, the GCF here is 3. Now, are we done? No, not yet, because we still have to get the GCF of this variables, no? So, paano nga ba natin kukunin yung GCF ng mga variables? Ayan, lalo na may exponent pa. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, pare-pareho lang naman sila ng variable. Okay? So, common na nila si y. Okay? Common na nilang variable yon. As long as yun lang yung pareho nila, yun yung magiging GCF natin na variable. Okay, now, may exponent ba dapat? Okay, do we have to put 3, 2, o y lang? Okay, so, ang sagot po dito is y lang. Okay, kasi pag nilagay natin si 3, hindi naman lahat may 3. Pag nilagay natin si 2, yung isa, meron. Pero itong si y, hindi naman siya naka-squared. Okay? So, ang most common lang nila is they all have the same variable, which is y. And that's the GCF. Okay. So, bakit nga ba natin inuna si GCF? No? Ba't ba natin siya kailangan i-recap? Okay? So, it's because GCF is very vital, no, in our topic, which is common monomial factoring. Because as you can see, getting the GCF would be the first step. Okay, we have to find the GCF of the terms in the polynomial because that will become the first factor. Okay, and then for the second step, and we have to divide the term, okay, the given term to the GCF that we got, no, so that we can get the other factor. Okay, so we're going to have an example, okay, about this. Okay, so I have here a table, okay, about the polynomials given, wherein we have to get the common monomial factor or the GCF, and then the remaining factor, and then the factored form. So we just have to follow the steps that's been said earlier. Yeah. Okay, and then we can complete this table. Okay, so we have 24 x cubed y raised to 4 minus 18x squared y raised to 5. Okay, we're going to use the first polynomial. Okay, so let's get the GCF. Okay, so numbers muna. Okay, so what are the GCF of 24 and 18? Okay, so first, list down all the factors. Factors ni 18, we have 6 times 3, 9 times 2, 18 and 1. Okay, para na natin susulat. Okay, kasi obviously hindi man nila common yon. Okay, next, 24, we have 8 times 3, 6 times 4, ano pa? 12 times 2. Ayan. Okay? And the GCF, or the greatest common factor that they have is 6. Okay? So that would be our common monomial factor when it comes to numbers. Now, let's observe what are their common variables. So, each term has x and y, no, as their variable. Okay, but the question is, anong variable with exponent yung kukunin natin? Okay, nandito man tayo sa x. Kukunin ba natin si x cubed o si x squared? Okay, so the clue in getting the GCF of the variables with exponent is you always get the lowest. Okay, pinakamababa pong exponent. Okay, yung kukunin natin. So, between x cubed and x squared, the lowest is x squared. Ayan. Okay. So, hindi naman ibig sabihin na, ay, kasi kaya nga sinabing greatest kasi malaki. Okay, no. When it comes to exponent, okay, ang kinukuha natin yung lowest. Okay, opposite siya. Okay, next. Okay, next variable, they have variable y. Pareho silang may y. Okay, again, we will always get the lowest. So, between y raised to 4 and y raised to 5, we will get y raised to 4. And that's the first term. And yung first term natin. Okay, yung nakuha natin GCF. We have 6x squared y raised to 4. Okay, now, in getting the remaining factor, as being said in the second step, we just have to divide, okay, the terms in the GCF that we get, okay, which is here. Ayan, si 6x squared y raised to 4. So, isa-isa po. Okay, just like how we divide a monomial. Okay. So, 24 divided by 6 is 4. X cubed divide x squared. Again, when we're dividing an exponent, we simply subtract. So, the answer here is x. Y raised to 4 divide y raised to 4. That's cancelled. Okay, next. Second term, 18 divided by 6 is 3. X squared divide x squared. Let's cancel as well. Pareho sila. And y raised to 5 divide y raised to 4 is y. Now, so what is the factored form? When you say factored form, you just have to combine our first answer or the common monomial factor that we get and the remaining factor. Okay, simply combine lang po. Like this. 6x squared y raised to 4. Then, 4x minus 3y. Okay, ayan. Ilalagay mo lang inside the parenthesis yung second term. Okay, now, how can we be sure na tama yung naging sagot natin? Okay, so we can do the checking. Okay, how do we check? Okay, so as you can see, yung term natin is parang naka-multiply. Okay, it's because there's a parenthesis. Ayan, multiply lang natin to dito. And dapat, ang lalabas na sagot is itong polynomial natin. Okay, let's see. Sa isa, 6 times 4, this is 24. X squared times x is x cubed. Remember, when we're multiplying, we're just adding the exponent. Okay? And then, y raised to 4. Wala naman siyang common dito. But still, when we're multiplying, we just simply copy. So, that's why may y raised to 4. Okay, next, we proceed in the next term. 6 times 3 is 18. X squared times, wala naman tayong i-multiply, pero kinakopy pa rin natin. Kaya may x squared tayo dito. Okay, and y raised to 4 times y is y raised to 5. And that's it. And so, tama yung naging sagot natin. Okay, now, you can try to answer this given two terms. Ayan, sige, hanapin niyo yung CMF, remaining factor, and yung factored form.